Hello everybody, welcome back. So we are 2 months after fertilizing the lawn with the fertilizers that were recommended by our soil test, and it's been holding up good. But what I want to do is give it a little extra shot of nitrogen, especially going into the summer. So we're going to be adding some urea to the lawn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mow it down first, and then I'll show you adding the urea. Okay, so we're back. We got the lawn cut, and I intentionally cut it about ½ inch shorter than I normally cut, just because I know that this boosted nitrogen is going to have it growing like crazy. So here we're using the Lesco brand urea. It's a 4600. And with the urea, you have to be very careful about the application rate, because this stuff is so high in nitrogen, you could potentially burn your lawn. So if we look on the bag, they have rotary spreader settings, and their brand is actually a calibration gauge. This way you could adjust it to your spreader. So in this case, they're using calibration gauge number 12. If you go on their website, it gives you a whole bunch of different brands of spreaders. And if we look at number 12 under the Scott's EdgeGuard DLX, we're going to use a setting of 4. So I'm going to set the dial to 4. We're going to spread the urea, and then next important step, make sure you water it in good, and we'll check back on the lawn in a week or so. So right now is June 5th. Let's see how it looks in a little bit. And we are back. It is June 12th. So we originally put down the urea on June 5th. So we're a week out. And you can see the grass growth that we have. And it's a nice green color. So that nitrogen boost from the urea really helped. So we're gonna give this a mow. Let's see how it looks. And here we go after the mow. So I hope the video picks up the difference in green, the before and after adding the urea. Anyway, thanks again, and take care.